Hello guys, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another food vlog. So we have come here to have in this food truck.
I thought one car went and it's my friend, so I waved the hand, and when I saw inside it is not that person.
So anyway, we have come to this food truck. We're gonna try. Richie knows the owner and they told Richie to come and try out the food. So we're just going to see what is there, and we're waiting for Kong Yasu Canadian so they'll be here soon. So that's the food truck. As you can see, people are just coming and they're taking takeaways. So yeah.
So in chicken side we have a authentic Turkish style gyro, which is a non-spicy pocket, and we have a spicy and tangy South African style fiery pocket, and we have an American style crispy pocket, which is a deep fried chicken used inside the pocket. Basically it's crispy on the outside and crispy on the inside. Now in veg we have falafel, which is a Middle Eastern style fritter, which we freshly make also, and we have a Korean one, which is an Indian American dish. So we can convert any of our pockets into plates, which is basically a deconstructed pocket, where you have fried breads, you have fries.
So essentially, दो fiery paneer pocket.
Completely based on the flavor of pocket.
दो fiery paneer pocket.
Fiery plate
Yes.
from Shadows there.
Behind nice white paint. Hey guys, what's up? This is Eddie and this is Yasser. Well, we have the latest flavors. We are with Merlin Richards today, and we are at Tazish, right here. Tazish. Well, Tazish means fresh in Turkish. And look at this. I've got the gyro pocket over here. They're very famous for pockets. If you look at that, oh look at that. There's French fries, there's chicken, there's sauce, and they make all of this fresh right here. The breads, everything is made in house. Over here.
I got the fiery plate, and you have African flavored inspired, and this is a deconstruct of the pockets actually. So you have peri peri fries, some spicy chicken and salads. So give it a try.
Lovely.
Spicy?
It's not some fire.
This is definitely fire, you guys.
Yeah.
It's a good fire, not like it's good, manageable, and then you can calm yourself down with a salad.
I'm just going to be tricky.
Yeah.
My dish with myself. And look at this. Look at this. You gotta come closer. Look at this amazing bread. You got chicken. And look at this. Keep looking at this. Keep looking at this. So that's basically the tortillas. We just deep fry them. We use the mixture.
Okay.
Wow.
Just that, keep it up. It's like gimpy, no? Yeah.
I don't exactly. This is the South African peri peri fiery pocket. I've just tasted the sauce. It's kind of spicy. So let's try it. Let's take a bite.
एक crispy pocket, एक fiery pocket चाहिए.
That's spicy.
Check out the store right here. So they've got a shawarma machine there. They've got a grill right there where they freshly make all the chicken. And it's a cute place. Just two people in the floor working. I'm eating. Yeah. It's a lovely stove. So this is located right next to St. Francis Xavier's Cathedral. I think this is Coles Park or Coles Road, Pomade Road, but St. Xavier Francis Church right behind us. And right outside that, if you see, there's Tazish. 150 pocket, 150 pocket working.
I'm going to eat this. This is 5 pocket, 1 minute I was eating. It looks so amazing, yeah. Wow, it's amazing. Guys,
Amazing, right?
you have to drop in here if you are around Fraser Town, Coles Park, or anywhere near. So this is right behind, right in front of St. Xavier's Church.
Yeah.
So do drop in after 4 o'clock in the evening. The cart starts here. Very mannered. It's really amazing.
And good price, guys.
Everything
Good
is made
price.
fresh.
Taste and the
Everything
price
made
is
in
like
house.
wow.
So I have something for the pocket here. My pocket. I put fiery and crispy and fried.
So here's the owner. The one wearing the spec is the owner. Enjoy.
Marilyn is so full that she can't enjoy
Yeah.
with us. We are enjoying it.
I'm not able to eat seriously. Just 2 bites is enough. Tasty. What's that? Falafel. How's it? That's nice.
Yeah.
Good, good. So that was it, guys. We're done eating. We even went and had chai, and now we're going home. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. उम्मीद है कि आपको खाना भी पसंद आया होगा. So stay tuned for more videos. Yeah, we'll end today's vlog here. See you guys on the next video. Until then, take care, stay safe. Bye bye. Say bye, Baba.
Bye bye.